All right, we'll do a little cold start video. Engine is nice and cool. So the way these work, Holley Sniper with the Holley Sniper fuel pump, returnless fuel pump, so just one line going in, which is really nice. The way these snipers work is you turn your key over, you listen for the pump to prime. Once the prime starts, you just crank over on it. Prime is now stopped. Cranks right over. It has a little ramp up and then ramp down. She'll sit there and idle, and we'll do a little walk around so you guys can hear it. Do a little rev up on it. We'll do a little walk around.